Okay, guys, good morning. 9:04 a.m., 4th of the 6th, 2024. Brand new week. Hope you all had a good weekend. Let's take a look what we've got this week in terms of news. So it should be the final week of the trading week. Yeah, well, final week of the trading month. So we have Monday, which is today, which obviously haven't really got much today. We've got a Fed daily speech later on, not really going to impact the market that much. Tuesday, we have CB consumer confidence, some Fed Cook speeches, nothing really that's going to impact the market. Super crazy. It's nothing like non-farm payroll or CPI or anything like that. Mortgage mortgage applications, new home sales, bank stress tests. Again, nothing really too crazy there. Thursday, the 27th, durable goods orders, GDP growth rate, continuing jobless claims. Jobless claims again, kind of standard. Initial jobless claims, PCE and pending home sales again. Volume in the market, but nothing too crazy that is going to wick us out and hit our SLs if we're in anything. Core price, PCE price index. Now we will see quite a bit of volume when this does come out, and also Michigan consumer sentiment. So we can't really trade until after 1500 on Friday if we do see a trade on the last day of the trading month. So with that all said and done, let's take a look at US 100. So US 100 last week closed as a pin bar. We hit the 20,000 level. Now, when I said when we hit the 20,000 level, we're more than likely going to see a higher time frame exhaustion to the 18,800 level. That has been the case. We have seen a little bit of sell pressure, but we're still making higher highs and higher lows on the hourly time frame. So until we break this high, we're still making higher highs, we're still making higher lows. We could still go long here. We could retest this level this week, could move to the upside and move to the downside again, creating another pin bar. And then the week after, the beginning of July, could actually start to move to the downside. So this week so far, we're still making high highs and high lows. We're still looking for longs until we break this key level here. When we break this, then we'll look for shorts all the way down to 18,800, roughly 18,900 to 18,800. Let's take a look at US 30. So US 30 last week did move pretty good to the upside, finally moving to the upside after how many weeks of consolidation? One, two, three. This was the fourth week. Really nice close, super bullish last week. Went from 38,500 to 39,200 there. So really nice move, super bullish. I do expect this week to continue to move to the upside. Again, this could go to the 40,000 level and then the next week beyond that. So we could be breaking the highs by this time next week. What do I expect? Well, we do have a level of buy pressure here. We do have a considerable level of sell pressure here. Nice weekly level there. So more than likely is going to tap this level again and move to the upside, or just continue to move up. We see a buy here either way. Whether we see a bounce or a break, we will catch a long here. And the take profit will be the 40,000 level this week. That's not a bad weekly range, to be fair, for this. About 800 pips, 850 pips, which is a really good week. So we might not get that, but it is possible. Let's take a look at gold. So gold here, let's take a look at the weekly here. Huge pin bar on the week. Look at that. Price literally rejected. So what's this telling us? Right, so we've got double bottom here. We've got a wick. Honestly, it's saying to me that we're potentially going to move to the downside and touch this level again, touch the 2280 level. So potentially here now, we have a level of sell pressure, which could have become buy pressure, but now is going to come sell pressure once again. 2280 is the target here. And that's what we're looking for on gold. So that's gold, US 100, US 30. Let's take a look at the weekly watch list that we take a look at every single week. So the reason why we look at these is because it tells us a lot about the market and what the market's going to do. So DXY, the US dollar basket, said to move to the 107 mark, making high highs and high lows. So anything Euro USD, British pound against the USD is set to move to the downside as the US dollar strengthens. We've done US 100, let's do US 500. Moving to the upside, a little bit of a pin bar, expecting a pullback to the high of 5,267. We've done gold. Let's have a look at Microsoft. Microsoft hit TP, which is good. Moving to the upside, nothing really too crazy with this, other than it's in an uptrend, moving very nicely. Nvidia, first bearish week after about, 10 weeks? So we could be now looking at the higher time frame move to the downside, to then move to the upside, probably in, 2025. Apple, previous week broke the highs. This week looks like it's moving down already. No, in fact, that was the previous week. This is the one that's just been. So we could see a move down to the 200 level or even 198 and then continue to move to the upside. So classical breakout, exhaustion, retest, and then continued move here. Meta kind of doing what it's done for the past, year or so now. Just literally moving to the upside. Really nice, really smooth. I do expect it to break the high of 530 soon. Amazon moving to the upside after breaking the high, a little bit of consolidation that hit TP. We're not really interested. Google, we are looking for a trade on this, but nothing really too crazy here. I would have liked another retest or even just like a little bit more of a bullish engulfing candle there, but nothing for me there. Tesla, nothing, not interested. Bitcoin, so Bitcoin finding buyer pressure at 61,000. We have had a little bit of a retest here. Let's see what this week does. If we break the 61,000 and go to like 59 or even 57, and then, pretty much we're just hoping the final level of the 56,600 is going to come in and move it to the upside. ETH looks a tiny bit better still. We could have a double bottom here. Could go all the way down to 2,900. Shiba, again, probably doing the same as ETH and Bitcoin, moving to the downside after breaking the highs. Doge, exactly the same. Pretty much just moving to the downside. And when moving to the downside as well, nearly at zero now, this. So potential add on this one, but to be honest, I won't really start to buy unless it starts moving to the upside. So that is it. That is the analysis. We've gone through the watch list. We've gone through what we're going to be looking at trading wise. Thank you guys for watching, and you guys watching the recording. Thank you for watching as well. Hope you enjoyed, and I shall see you all later on. Take care, guys. Have a great day and have a great week. Bye bye.